Moreno Valley City. I'm Dr. Tim Weiss. Do you have neck pain, back pain, or been in a car accident? I offer gentle and effective treatments to help you feel your very best. I'm offering something amazing this month for my Moreno Valley Clinic. The first 12 to book receive a new patient special, which includes exam and consultation, heated massage table, and first adjustment, all for just $49.